Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use Shopify payments. Open your Shopify admin and go to Settings then Payments to enable Shopify payments and choose account type. Enter accurate business info, verify identity, and add your bank details for payouts. Set a payout schedule and currency that suits your accounting. Enable fraud prevention settings and test checkout once setup finishes to confirm transactions flow correctly and funds deposit as expected. In this video, I will explain how to use Shopify payments. When customers check out, Shopify payments handles authorization, capture, and settlement automatically, so you receive payouts according to your schedule. Monitor transactions in the payments dashboard to see fees, disputes, and pending payouts. If you need to refund, issue refunds from the order page to return funds and update inventory. Respond quickly to chargebacks with evidence to increase dispute success and protect your store. In this video, I will explain how to use Shopify payments. Quick recommendation: if you want a lightweight way to read manuals, invoices, and product guides on the go, try the new Kindle Paperwhite for crisp text and long battery life. It's great for catching up on vendor emails or product specs between tasks, and it makes learning on the move easier. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to use Shopify payments. Review transaction fees and terms so you know how platform rates affect net revenue, and factor fees into pricing. Keep required tax, business, and identity documents current to prevent account holds or payout delays. Use Shopify reports and export payouts to reconcile with accounting software. Check for international fees on cross-border sales, and set tax rules to collect correct amounts at checkout.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.